প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আমি এর আগে তোমাদের সাথে ভয়েসের একটি অংশ নিয়ে আমি আলোচনা করেছি। প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট, পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট অ্যান্ড ফিউচার ইনডিফিনিট, these three tenses. So today I will talk to you about the other tenses. Okay, so for the first time I will write here present continuous tense. I will give the examples of present continuous tense. So you see, I am watching television. I am watching television. This is present continuous tense. Subject, verb, object, these three parts. Okay, you know, every passive voice, every active voice remains three parts: subject, verb, and then object. So if the sentence is in continuous form, whether it is present continuous, past continuous, or future continuous, no problem. You are to add being. You are to add or write being after the auxiliary verb in passive form. So make it passive. Television. Subject third person singular number. Singular subject, singular verb is being. Television is being watched by me. So the object television in the active form is changed into subject in passive voice, and then the auxiliary verb being অতিরিক্ত অংশ. After that the past participle form of watch is watched, and according to the rule we are to use usually by. After that the nominative form I is changed into the objective form in passive voice me. Okay, write another example. She বা he is flying a kite. He is flying a kite. So make it passive. A kite, object will be the subject here. A kite is being flown by him. A kite is being flown by him. A kite, the object, a kite is the subject in passive form, and then auxiliary verb after that being, okay, of continuous form, and then fly, past participle flown by the objective form of he is him, and then past continuous tense he was catching fishes or fish. Okay, so he was catching fishes, past continuous tense. You have to add being after the auxiliary verb. Okay, so what will be the passive form of it? Fishes, where plural subject, plural verb, plural subject, plural verb. Okay, if the subject is singular, then you have to write a singular verb, and if the subject is plural, then you must write a plural verb. Okay, plural subject, plural verb, singular subject, singular verb. Fishes were being caught by him. Fishes were being caught by him. Then come to the another example of the sentence. Okay, mother is cooking, sorry, past continuous tense. Mother was cooking good food. Okay, so good food, the object here will be the subject. Good food good food was being will be cooked by mother. Good food will be cooked by mother. Okay, everybody see, the object good food has become the subject in passive form, and then the auxiliary verb. After that I have added being, and then the past participle form of cook is cooked, then by, according to the rule, and then the subject mother has become the object in passive form. So this is present continuous, and after that past continuous. And then future continuous tense. I will be drawing a picture. Every continuous tense will take being after the auxiliary verb. Okay, so make it a division, subject, verb, and then object. Subject, verb, and then object. So a picture will be the subject here. A picture will be being drawn by me. He will be teaching us English. He will be teaching us English. Okay, you see there are two objects. One is indirect object, personal, and the another is direct object. Okay, so if there remains two objects after the main verb of active voice, then what will you do? You must take the indirect object, that is the personal object, as a subject of passive voice. Okay, so the objective form of us is, the nominative form of us is we. Okay, we will be being. Continuous, for continuous you are to write more being. Okay, we will be being taught English. Remaining subject or the retained object will be written after the main verb of passive voice. So English. We will be being taught English by him. So dear students, you write it and then read the rules 2 or 3 times, then it will be very useful or effective for you, fruitful for you. After that I will discuss more about perfect tense. 3 perfect tense. I have done the sum. আমি অঙ্কটি করেছি। So have, has. Any perfect tense will take been in passive form after the auxiliary verb. Okay, whether it is present perfect, past perfect, or future perfect, no problem. You must write been after the auxiliary verb. So make the part of this. The sum object will be the subject here. The sum, subject are person singular number, so verb also will be singular has. The sum has been. The remaining part, অতিরিক্ত আমাদেরকে যেটা লিখতে হচ্ছে been. The sum has been ডান। পারফেক্ট টেন্সে প্রিন্সিপাল ভার্বের পাস্ট পার্টিসিপলটা করাই থাকে। দ্য সাম হ্যাজ বিন ডান বাই মি। অ্যানাদার এক্সাম্পল I will give you here. The boy has broken the record. The record. The boy has broken the record. This is present perfect tense. Has broken the record. So the record object will be the subject here. The record has, you have to write been, has been broken by the boy. The record has been broken by the boy. Okay, this is present perfect tense. So if the sentence of an active voice is in present perfect, past perfect or future perfect, you must write more been. Okay, you are to add been after the auxiliary verb, and the rest rules are like the previous. So past perfect tense, I had finished the work. I had finished the work. So past perfect tense, you have to write more been. Make it the division. Okay, the work object will be the subject here. The work had been done, sorry, no done. The work had been finished by me. And then another example, we had developed our language skills. We had developed our language skills. Subject, verb, object. So our language skills, what will you write here? The object, our language skills, will be the subject in passive form. Okay, so our language skills, had been developed by us. The objective form of we is us. Okay, dear students, so that's all for today, and the another class will wait for you. So till then, you wait for the class.